In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Gmail on your PC. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're using Gmail in a language that's not your first choice, or if you're sharing a computer with someone who prefers a different language. Changing the language settings is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you feel confident in the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate to Gmail's website at www.gmail.com. Once you have Gmail open, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not, just enter your email address and password to log in. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. There, you'll find the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, you should click on See All Settings. This will lead you to the full settings page where you'll have access to a multitude of customization options for your Gmail. Right at the top of the settings page, ensure you're in the General tab. This is where most of the basic Gmail settings can be found. Here, the first option you should see is Language. If you look closely, you'll see that a drop-down menu is available, showing the current language your Gmail is set to. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of available languages. Once the list is visible, you can scroll through it or use the search function within the drop-down to find your preferred language. When you've located the language you want your Gmail to be displayed in, simply click on it to select it. After selecting your desired language, it's crucial to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. There you'll find the Save Changes button. It's important to click this button to ensure your language preference is saved. If you navigate away from this page without saving, your changes will not be applied, and you'll need to repeat the process. With these steps completed, your Gmail interface should now reload and display in the language you've selected. This may change not only menus and commands, but also some of the help content provided by Google. Remember, if you ever want to switch back to another language, you can follow these same steps at any time. Changing the language setting not only helps with clarity and ease of use, but it can also aid in learning a new language by allowing you to familiarize yourself with common tech-related terms. So there you have it, a simple way to switch the language in your Gmail account on your PC. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides and tips.